While recording the screen, you are facing a problem that the canvas should be 4K and even the screen resolution should be 4K. I have a widescreen here right now, which is in fact not 16:9. It is 9 ratio, 32:9. In fact, it's more. So what I'm going to do here, I will just click on File and I'll show you the settings here. And if I click on video, you can see here that base canvas is 1080p and output is also 1080p. Now, if I want to change it, of course, in drop down, it will show me the resolution only which is available for the screen. So I have one of the screens which is 5120 into 1440, but its aspect ratio is 32:9. It's not 4K, and I don't have any way to change it also here. But there is a workaround. All you need to do is you have to press Windows and R, and in Run, you have to type this command. So I'll provide you the link of this also. You will simply copy this and just press OK. So it is going to open profile here, and in the profile you can see right now it shows untitled. So if I change this profile, you can see here right now the profile is untitled. Here you can see it's untitled, and if I click on profile, here is untitled profile. Of course, I can rename it. Instead of untitled, I will say 4K resolution, and now its name is changed to 4K resolution, and you can see here its name is now 4K resolution. So what I'm going to do here, I'll just double click this, and you can see here these are various options available here. I need to simply click on basic profile, right click here, open with Notepad. So this is complete profile configuration here. You can of course make the changes. All of this is in the text format. Simply you need to look for base. So if you click on base CX, so this is, you can see here video, base CX, base CY, output CX and output CY. So you can see here it's 1080p 1920 into 1080. So I simply need to change the resolution to 4K, which is 3840, and this will also be CX 3840, and 2160 will be the resolution here. So this will be 2160. If you want to change the frame rate and all of that, you can do it. Otherwise, all other details are here, so you can simply keep the copy of this, and I'll just simply save it now. And now what I'm going to do, I will simply close this now, and I will open OBS Studio again. And now if I go to File and if I click on Settings, here is Video. You can see here 3840 and 3840. This is 4K resolution now, 16:9. Of course, if you change it, it won't show you in the drop down. It is only available here. By default, it will be loading. In case you want to use other profiles, you can simply click here and create a new profile for other resolution. And for 4K, you can use the 4K resolution. So this way you can make the changes. This is flexible, in fact. So profiles are stored into your app data. Simply open the app data in your profile. So it is called roaming profile. So simply you need to use this particular path in your run and just open it. It will open the profiles, whatever profiles you have. And in OBS Studio, I can create a new profile also. So it will be, for example, widescreen, and it can be optimized for recording. And here it will show you either display resolution or it will show you the 1080p resolution. So I will be using my display 1, which is this widescreen resolution, and click next, apply the changes. So here my profile, it's widescreen in fact. So what I'm gonna do, I will see here widescreen is also available. So you cannot simply copy and paste the profiles here. In case you want to create a new profile, you have to create the profile from OBS Studio. And so profile, 4K resolution profile, widescreen. So your scenes and sources will remain same, and I can simply create a new scene here. And in case you want to add anything here, for example, I will add the display capture here. So you can see here this is a widescreen here, because this screen which I'm showing, it is not the same widescreen which is my parent screen. My parent screen is here. So I will be going back here to profile and 4K resolution, and in 4K resolution I can have the display capture, for example this one. This way you can have the profiles configured, and you can open profile, make the changes according to your needs and requirements. So let's continue to next video now.